Hey, welcome back to the video. In this video, you're going to see about a bar and column chart in Power BI. So in Power BI, we have basically used the bar and column chart to give comparison data to show the comparative data in a visual manner. So here we have the option of a stacked bar chart, stacked column chart, and clustered bar chart, clustered column chart, and 100% stacked bar chart and 100% a column chart. Let's create a visualization and see all in one by one. So I will create one basic stacked bar chart over here. So if I will take the dimension as let's say state I will take, and I will take a measure sales. So sales measure I will take. So it will give the simple bar chart. So this is my simple bar chart. For this bar chart, I can use one more measure, like for example, profit I will take. So now in same bar, I have the two measures like a profit as well as the sales. So here I can do comparison of the both sales and my profit for this state. So this is where this bar chart, stacked bar chart is useful. So if I want to change the view of this column stacked bar into column, I just need to use this chart to view this in a column way. So in this chart I can see the bar in a column bar. So this is for bar view, this is for column view if I want to see. So most of the cases, if the measures or if my dimensions are many, so this is very helpful because here I can easily read the name of the state. If on this view I can see I have to struggle to read this name. So in this case I will I will use this bar chart to visualize this kind of data. So so this is a bar, and here I have the option of clustered bar chart. So clustered bar chart means if I want side by side comparison, so it is showing, so bar chart, stacked bar chart is showing same different measures in a same bar. So if I want side by side comparison, I can use this clustered bar chart. So if I click over here, so the same chart, I can see the side by side comparison of the sales amount and as well as the profit. So if I want side by side comparison, I need to use this clustered bar chart. So I will change the bar chart into column. So here I can see side by side comparison of the both profit as well as my sales. So this is the use of the clustered column chart. The one more chart option in bar and column, we have the 100% stacked bar chart. So we saw this stacked bar chart, it will show both measures in a single bar. Here I have the 100% stacked bar. This means if I want to see the percentage difference of the both measures, I can use this stacked 100% stacked bar chart. So here I can see, so what I will do is instead of taking sales, I will take cost. So that gives a better result because the cost and profit combined, it will give sales. So sales is, it includes the sales value, it include cost and profit. So if I take sum of cost and sum of profit over here, so let's say for example for California, so this is 100%, means it's a total amount is called as sales. In that sales, 83% is my cost and 16% is my profit. So I can easily make the comparison of, I can easily see all the data like how much is my profit and how much percentage of my is cost. So for each I can do that comparison. I can see it over here easily, like here the 15 percentage is my loss and 84% is my cost in the total this one. So this is how I can use this 100% stacked bar chart. I can change the view to column just by clicking over here, and I can use this also. So both is same, but the view is different. That's the only difference between these two. So this is how I can use this bar and column chart for different purposes based on my requirement. I have to use this bar and column chart based on my data requirement, based on my visual requirement, what I want to present. So if I want to present in a percentage manner, I will use this column, a stacked 100% stacked bar chart. If I want side by side comparison of both, I will use a clustered bar. If I want stack it like one single bar, I want to show the both measure, I will use this bar chart. So this is about bar column chart and in Power BI. After making the chart, I can use the this visualization modification like I can do some. I can add the header. I can add the header. I can make some changes over here. Like if I want to change the name of the or title of this bar chart, I can do it over here, and I can say cost and profit, cost and profit comparison. So comparison, uh, this is cost and profit comparison, and I will make this in the center line, and I can increase the size also. So in this we have many options to format the our chart title, and I can format the x-axis, y-axis. So here I have the option to format x-axis. I can make it as bold. I can increase the size of the values. So the lot of things we can do it over here. So this is about this video, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.